Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. I have a quick but powerful reminder for you today. Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, said, whoever prays 4 rak'ah after Isha, they will be like the equivalent of them on Laylatul Qadr. But wait, what is the reward of Laylatul Qadr? Allah says in the Quran, Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahr. Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. That means one night of worship equals more than 83 years of worship. Imagine getting that reward simply by praying 4 extra rak'ahs after Isha prayer.